Hello, today we will guide you through how to get Slack webhook URL. To begin, open your browser and go to the Slack API Applications page. This is the area where Slack lets you create and manage apps, including the ones used for incoming webhooks. If you are not already signed in, make sure you log into the Slack workspace where you want the webhook to be used. Once you are on the Applications page, look to the top right and click Create New App. This starts the process of setting up a Slack app that can generate the webhook URL for you. Slack will then ask how you want to create the app. Choose from scratch. This option is the simplest path for creating a new app specifically for webhook use, and it gives you full control over the setup. Next, enter an app name. You can use a simple descriptive name so it is easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create more than one Slack app in the future. After that, click the field to pick a workspace to develop your app in, and select the correct Slack workspace from the list. It is important to choose the right workspace here, because the webhook URL will be tied to that environment. After the app is created, you will be taken to its settings page. From there, find and click Incoming Webhooks. This is the feature that allows external tools or automations to send messages directly into Slack channels. On the Incoming Webhooks page, click Add New Webhook. Slack will now ask you to choose the channel where messages sent through this webhook should appear. Select the channel you want to use. If you are setting this up for alerts, notifications, or integrations, it is a good idea to choose the channel carefully so messages go to the right audience. Once the channel is selected, click Allow. This grants the app permission to post to that channel using a webhook. After approval, Slack will generate the webhook URL and return you to the incoming webhooks section. Finally, click Copy next to the generated webhook URL. That copied URL is what you will use in your external app, automation platform, or service to send messages into Slack. As a quick tip, treat this webhook URL like a secret. Anyone with access to it may be able to post messages into your Slack channel, so store it securely and avoid sharing it publicly. And that's it. You now have your Slack webhook URL ready to use.